7 Sigma off-grade.
So we drove all the way out here. 7 Sigma, 7 Sigma, 7 Sigma, 7. We can't open it. I have nothing to say. This is an epic fail. Don't ever buy locks. Don't ever buy locks. They're garbage. Hot garbage. Hot garbage. This brand right here. See that brand? Point your finger. That bullshit. Don't buy that. Very retarded. And we got in. He got in.
7 Sigma.
How long do you guys think he'll take to cut through this 6x6? Put it in the comments. Looking good. The son over here weed whacking. Ain't never weed whacked in his life, but he's doing a decent job. Now we have to attack that unbalance.
I'm going in, I'm feeling good, so wish me luck. Ba-da-da-dee-da-da. You try your best to put me down, but it gets me up and down. And I'm feeling great. If you start to hate, you'll make me say ba-da-da-dee-da-da. Yeah, you make me say ba-da-da-dee-da-da. Yeah, you make me say ba-da-da-dee-da-da. Yeah, I got.
So before we attacked that back corner of the shipping container, we had to do a little housekeeping and knock down those overgrown foxtails with the weed whacker. Not trying to run up on any rattlesnakes either. So the container is sitting flush on 3 corners, but because I zoned out on the fact that the driver was able to push the container further back than I thought, we actually went back too far to where the land begins to slope down. Well, that's the price I have to pay for not sticking to my original plan. Dummy. So the plan was to clear out 2 inches of dirt and stack 2 6x6 blocks on that corner to level everything out. But again, I got shovel happy and dug a damn trench. Dummy.
I'll put 2 blocks. Instead of being like this, it's gonna be like that. But over time, it'll push itself into the dirt more. That's that. Yep. So don't take this dirt out. Nah. So you can take it out afterwards, I guess. Still get good scratches though. Just lift the shipping container up. Then it'll be crooked, you know what I'm saying, from the other ones. I think it'll, like, the weight will push it down. No, let's see what you're trying to say. That's what you mean by centrifugal force. Yeah. You fucking 7. Yep. You see it? No, is that look at it. Oh wow, that's crazy. Oh god. Jack the Ripper.
Yeah, me and this constant theme with the number 7. Sorry folks, it's an inside joke. So yeah, now I have to backtrack and add dirt. I did way too much digging.
I still need more dirt. Why are you blocking the screen? I still need more dirt. Measure that. It's about 7. How much more dirt? Is it not touching it? No. Ah, my back. Isn't that what you want?
Yep. Yep. That's what I want. Eyeball that. That looks level.
Let's see if the people think it's level.
The people.
That was level.
Use a damn leveler.
No. You don't know what I'm saying?
What are you saying?
First off, you got a fly on your shoulder.
Get away from me!
Second.
The mountain flies. You got mountain fly disease.
Yeah. Now, I'ma start this up. Say you make it if you're trying, regardless the bull. That all the cold-hearted and heartless have started to pull. As if you ain't taking enough. But one day you'll be living above them. If you choose to take the hate just as if it was love. It's even funnier coming from your loved ones. Don't wanna see you with big money like your only loved one. And though I really love funds, it's not my reason for the song. Let's see how deep my love runs. I'm on my mark and set go, just to let you know that
We're in business. I go in there in the corner and jump and see if it wobble. Yeah, just a little bit. I said just a little bit. It's just a little bit.
And while I'm inside celebrating, Vashi figured out that the container is not sitting flush on the blocks.
I think we should move it.
Move where?
I think we should move the blocks this direction. Because right now, I can kick the top of it. I feel like it's not doing it. It's not even pressing that hard though. I think the hydraulics.
That floor jack is older than he is. I bought it before he was born.
Timber! Watch out, dog. That don't sound good.
That shit's definitely suspect.
We don't know nothing. We just want to go into that. We need to split it in, so.
It's that good. It's not even an inch. Maybe an inch.
But I think it's good. We're in business.
I was like, you're in there jumping, and I was like,
We in business now. Kick it. Give it the Bigfoot test. Yep, we in there. Yeah. Check out the level on the inside. Look at the jump test. Good. Ladies and gentlemen, we are finally level.
the wood crack.
Did it? That's not much pressure. So that's that sound we heard.
What level?
How we looking? We are level enough, goddammit. More level than it was. Yes, sir. I don't like this whole is gonna tilt over.
Yep.
Go ahead. Oh, this good.
12 reasons why 11 don't apply to me. 10 sweet memories of how things used to be. 9 songs from aspects the way I used to see them. No 8 people that ain't shit I used to wanna be them.
I don't know if it looks sturdy. It looks sturdy. It doesn't look sturdy. It doesn't.
They don't do shit in the middle when they stack them on each other. So on the corners.
Anyways, 3 sayings that remains in my storage line. You can't please everybody, everywhere, every time. I trust 2 people on this planet, trust is what I said. One myself and the other her I plan to wed. A ring she plan to wed for life, wife. A song, I'm in trifle. So, I'm going in, I'm feeling
Looking good, my friend. You explain your foolishness?
Nope.
Look at the stance. He has a lumberjack stance. but what he needs to do is he needs to put. See, what he's not doing right is he's not pivoting on his right heel. See, if you pivot more, there you go, and he gets the swing from the hips. That way he can increase his pointage by 4.5%. Looks like he's cutting it the wrong way where the tree is actually gonna fall on him. Yes, look at that technique. That's called the shuffle step. Yeah, yeah. Oh no, you have to have the hammer. I mean the axe. Now do the shuffle step. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah. That's how you chop down a tree. That's how you cut a tree. This guy still hacking away. What the These are strong. Yeah. It's like there's almost no neck left. It's still strong. Yep.
Well, I guess he's tired now, Jenny. Just gonna kick it.
Man, that axe.
There you go.
That's where he kicked that boy's ass.
Ta-da. Yep. That means it's water down here. When we do this well right here, it better be some goddamn water. Goddamn water. 65 to $100 per foot. 350. 400 feet. Hopefully 200 feet. That should reach water, I hope. We're praying. Cue the Lowe's music. Left hand action. Look at that left hand, sir. Look at that left hand. That's left hand. That's left hand right there. Yeah, right hand. That's the left hand. Look at that. Look at that form. Look at that form. Yeah, look at this back hand. Back hand. Yeah. This whole tree fall over. Yeah. Okay, I'm done. The heart of it. You killed it. Oh. The heart. They all have a little heart. The jugular. The jugular vein. Still got goddamn salt. Like snow. That was a dumbass idea. But hey.
Yeah, story about the salt and vinegar coming soon.
I think if I had a truck, I could just put a chain around that and just. Yeah. I don't know. It's too strong. Oh, here you go again. What? Don't do that with the axe in your hand. Oh, he's breaking up Big Mama. Strike one. Yeah, you don't want to do that, huh? Your whole body's like. That's why I'm so well versed with the axe. Spell it.
for a story that's forever told.
Body
Forever
cologne.
live, forever grieving, niggas never old. Facts you couldn't face, feelings you can't console. Cause who knows, your rainbow may not house that pot of gold. Everybody has dreams, hopes, and ambitions. To make it larger, make it happen. Some to make history. Some need to listen, cause some don't make a difference. They need attention just cause something in their life is missing. If it's the way it goes, boy, I tells you. Blame every living soul around them for their failures. We'll never let it go, as if they're still with it. Here I am, in the middle, left to deal with it. But I won't play the victim, still I can't believe him. I had to be put on this earth for some important reason, for some important person, for some important rhyme. Just since I be important, fine. See, I'm going in, I'm feeling good, so wish me luck.
So, boy, I really killed the tree with a hand axe. I was gonna buy a chainsaw. Better, my son said, forget all that. I'm bored. Give me the damn hand axe. That's what he did. Which is cool. Now we just gotta pull up the stump. That's gonna be fun. There's the 2 trees. Sorry I had to do that to you, guys. I need the space for all of my utilities. I'm being attacked by a drone. Get away! Ah! This guy. Whoever playing. Left foot stick. Straight down. Damn. He's a G. He's a G. No line. Hey. Yeet.
7 Sigma. Off-grade.